Namaste, Jai Gurudev. Welcome to yet another video. My name is Pramod. I'm a trainer with Sri Sri School of Yoga. Today we are going to look into yoga practices that will help us strengthen our lower body. Many times we see the pain in the lower back is usually associated with the weakness in the lower limbs. So keeping our lower limbs, especially your glutes and thighs, stronger will help you avoid any sorts of injuries in the joints, especially the knee joint. And also it will release the tension from the spinal column. So let's look into some of the practices that will help us strengthen our legs and thighs. Let's get started with the practice. Stand straight, navel pulled in, chest out, smile on your face. Now let's close our eyes and bring your mind to this moment now and here. Couple of deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes. First thing that we need to understand, when we want to protect our knee health, or even before we start strengthening our practice, we need to understand a few terms. The first one is called micro bending. So you need to keep your knees micro bend whenever you are doing any physical practices that is putting pressure on your legs. Although you are working towards strengthening of your muscles, thighs and legs, but if you hyper extend your knee, it creates a pressure here. So you micro bend the knee and you do all the practices. Okay, so that is very important to start with. So keep your feet grounded, navel pulled in, chest out, like a warrior. You engage your thighs, you engage your gluteal muscles. We usually stand like this. The thighs are not engaged, the glutes are not engaged, and more of the pressure is coming on the back muscle and on the kneecap. So even when you stand, engage your thighs, tighten the glutes, tighten the thighs and stand. Now if you are not getting how to do it, you can keep a pillow or a cushion or a yoga block in between your thighs and try to squeeze the yoga block. Then you will see your thighs, your glutes become engaged. That is when the muscles come into play. That is when the muscles are working actually. Therefore, your muscles will be holding your body weight, not just your body is hanging on the bones. Okay? So you have to start from this position. Now simple, let's do a little bit of warm up for the lower body. Heels up and down. Simple. Up and down. Keep a smile. Continue lifting your heels up and down. Navel pulled in, chest out. You just stand like this, you will see your thighs, your legs have already started to feel some degree of strengthening. Continue up, down. And loosen your legs, loosen your thighs. Now we'll shift our body weight on the heels and toes, heels and toes, heels and toes, heels and toes, heels, toes. Continue. Heels and toes. And relax. Now another warm up, dynamic warm up. We call it topu karanam. When I tell you to hold your ears with your crossed arms, you can remember your childhood days. Go down, come up. Go down, come up. We'll do this 15 times. 3, 4, 5. Remember not to hyper extend your knee. Keep it micro bend. When you come up fully, don't push the knee back. Knees are slightly bent. Down, up, 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 down, up. We did more than 15 times. Now once again, pump your calf muscles, up, down, up, down. And relax. Now we will swing our right leg front and back, slowly, front and back, managing the body weight on the left leg, the right leg front, back, front, back. Relax. Now left leg back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, and relax, loosen, loosen, loosen. Now we'll do some low lunge. Take the left leg in front and right leg at the back, and then you slowly go down and come up, down and up. When you go down, ensure that your knee is not crossing the leg in front. So you go down and come up, but not taking the knee forward. Straight, go down, come up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now gently switch towards the other side. Right leg in front, left leg back, go down, come up, go down, come up, down, up, down, up. Continue, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and relax. Now let's increase the distance between your legs. We'll do a simple goddess pose, Devi Asana, Uttana Konasana also. Take the legs apart, toes pointing outward, and then hands on your hip, slowly go down. धीरे से नीचे जाए. Raise your arms up. Chest out. We can gently go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now hold here. Take your left arm to the right thigh. Raise your right arm up and then gently bend towards your left side. Keep a smile. Feel the stretch on the right side of the body, strengthening on your thighs, both happening simultaneously. Stretching and strengthening. Come back slowly. And then we do it on the other side. Go down. Now right palm goes to the left thigh, left arm stretched towards the right side. Keep a smile. And slowly come back up. Your thighs are really happy. And then let's give a small shaky movement to the body. You can just, like, imagine you have a tail and you're wagging your tail. And relax. Now we'll do a set of practices. Virabhadrasana 1, Virabhadrasana 2, Virabhadrasana 3. So for Virabhadrasana, you take the 3 feet distance measurement. Turn the right toe towards the right side, left toe also towards the right side slightly, hip facing towards the right side. Breathe in, raise your arms up, stretch up, and breathe out, bend your right knee, look up. Now from here we will go into Virabhadrasana 2 directly. You push the hip forward, bring the arms in line with the shoulder. Hold, breathe. Once again, 1 and 2 will practice. 1, your hip tilts towards the right side. You look up, arms go up. 2, your arms come in line with the shoulder sideways, your hip faces forward. Once again, 1, 2. 1, 2. And come up slowly, relax. Now let's do it on the other side. Left toe points to the left, right toe slightly to the left side. Breathe in, raise your arms up, bend your left knee, look up. Virabhadrasana 1, and then we move into Virabhadrasana 2. 1, 2. Keep a smile. 1, 2. One last time. 1, 2. And come back slowly, relax. Now third one we'll practice separately. It requires a little balance. So this helps you improve your balance also. So let's do it on the right side first. Place the right foot on the ground, slightly inward. The right toe is slightly inward. Hip facing forward. Breathe in, raise both your arms up, interlace your fingers. And as you breathe out, balancing the body weight on the right leg, you stretch the left leg back. Breathe. And slowly come back up. Relax. Now we do it on the other side. Left toe points to the left, slightly inward, hip facing towards the left side. Breathe in, raise your arms up. And as you breathe out, gently look at one point, stationary point in front. If you find this difficult, you can place the palms and hold it here. If you can, then do this. It's a challenge. You can keep revisiting this video to learn this. Chest down, stretch the leg at the back. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, relax. Relax. Interesting, no? Your thighs are really happy now. The muscles are really energized and strengthened. Now let's slowly sit down. Not like that. You have to sit in the chair which is not there. Arms stretched in front, smile on your face, and go down. The toes can be slightly outward. Go down. Go down. This is the perfect moment to keep a smile on your face. Go down, 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 up. Very nice. Down and up and down and sit down. And now slowly lie down on your back. Relax your whole body. You can shake your legs in and out. Loosen your legs. Relax your whole body. Nothing to do and nothing to know. Relax your legs, your thighs, your hips, abdomen, chest, right arm and right shoulder, left arm and left shoulder, your face, whole of your body. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly turn towards your right side, and with the support of your arms, slowly sit up. Feel the calmness. Keeping a smile on your face, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. How was it? If you liked the video, you can send some hearts in the comment and share this video with people, your friends and family, so that they can reap the benefit of yoga. For more such amazing content, you can subscribe to Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep spreading happiness and joy all around you. We'll see you in the next video. Jai Gurudev.